What's going on, all you viewers and subscribers? Today we have another unboxing for you guys. So let's just crack it open. As you know, I'm not allowed to use knives, so I'm using this pen. Why isn't it working? Fuck! Technical difficulties have ensued. Alright, I got this block. What the fuck? Alright, I got this pick. Come on, this is sharp. There we go. I see. I know the pick would work. First try. Let's bring down this camera. What the fuck happened to the box? I just brought this inside, dagnabbit. There we go. There we go. Now I can just open this up really nice. Just all right, there we go. I got it. Just set this back up here. Alright. I opened it upside down. Oh, fucking course I did. Oh my god. What? Where did... I'm gonna freak the fuck out, man. There it is. Alright. There we go. Jordan 1 box. They gave me a really big box for the size that this is. Like, this is... They gave me a pretty big box. You might know what box it is. I had, no. This is Jordan 1 box. I believe the colors are switched normally. But, bring this down. Giving you guys all the camera angles. So it has like weird, like, I don't know what that is. I don't know where that came from. It has some wrinkles in it. The box itself doesn't look that bad. Don't mind my messy desk. Yeah. It's got like some dust on it right there. It's not, I wouldn't say damaged. It's just got some weird stuff on it. But yeah, let's open these up. Put the box right here. Ooh. Ooh. Alright. Alright. Here they are. The Jordan 1 NC to Chai. For all you guys that didn't know that means New York to Chicago. New York, Chicago. The leather quality on here is pretty smooth, I must say. Let's just focus that in. There we go. It's pretty smooth. It's very nice leather. I actually enjoy this very much. I also enjoy this colorway. These were a women's shoe, so I got a what was it? Yeah, 13 women's. So that's 11 and a half men's. There's nothing really special about it, but the leather quality on here is better. It's better than the Jordans I have on right now that I did myself, actually. These are they're less quality. Like, you know, the leather on here, if you can see that, it's kind of stubbly, really soft. I like it. It's a... Ooh, what? That smells like paint. And I'm not talking about cocaine. Bottoms, clean. There is a little, I don't know, cum stain. Where is this? Right there. Little white little thing. You see that? It'll focus in. See that right there? I don't know what that is. Just a little something white. It's like rubber, so I don't know. But bottoms, I like this whole vibe that the shoe has. I really like the quality of leather on here. It's very pristine. Other than that, I wouldn't say there's anything wrong with this shoe. Let's tuck that away and check out the other one. Ooh, wait, what? Huh. The leather on this shoe, on the toe, is... What the fuck? What? This is... Did they do this on the other shoe? No. So it comes with a leather hang tag, keeping that on there. And you see this side is like... But like, look at the two toes. Are these two different? No? This is weird. It's, I'll start off with the toe. Like, you see the toe on this one, and the toe on that one, blocking it by the light. You see, like, this one is more stubbly than this one. I don't know, it might have just been like a factory type of thing. Yeah, but also the swoosh on this side is really weird. Just focus in on that. You see that? It's like not cut right. And it's not like, it's like frayed. These just came out of the box. I mean, like, I understand like a little bit of fraying because, like, you know, it's a piece of skin, but not at this level. And it also, like, you see that's like wrinkly right there? It's not like that on the other side. It's like, that's really strange. But the bottoms on here, I would say better than the bottoms on the other one. But other than that swoosh, this shoe is pretty good. Pretty much the same as, you know, oh, that's a cool little feature. The inside of this shoe is blue. The inside of this shoe is red. Yeah, more paint. More paint, no hate, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I don't know why the swoosh is like that. It's really weird. I would keep these for a personal pair, personally, because, you know, I like this colorway. The red and blue, I feel like I could match it with a lot of things. Some people are like, oh, I can't match that with anything. Bitch, please. You can match this with so much stuff. You can match this, you know, every Jordan 1 of all time pretty much goes good with a black shirt. It's facts. Like this color, it matches pretty well. There's also some weird cum stain on this shoe now that I see it. Right there. Might have to try to get that off. But then, you know, then I would be altering the way that the shoe was made. Dun dun dun. But what if I made the swoosh better? See, because it's like, it's all frayed and everything, like around the edges and the stitching. It's like not cut right, you know? Like over here, it's like good, but on this side it's not. That's really weird. I wonder how that happened. The world may never know, because I don't work at the Nike factory. I don't make shoes for a living. But yeah, thank you for enjoying this episode of Zan's World Tour unboxings. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.